To start, I'm just going to take some masking tape and just put some tape on the mirror so if it does crack, it doesn't shatter the glass everywhere. Tip the mirror down. Then from the back side, you can use some type of a pick or even a screwdriver. Smaller pick works pretty well. You're basically getting in between where the motor is, the motor assembly, and right here, and just popping it up. There's some tabs right there and there. Take that off. Then disconnect the electrical connectors. You can get under here with a pick as well. Slide that up. And slide that up. Now take the new mirror and slide the connector on here and this connector. Those look good. Now I'll line this up. And then right in the center, as long as that's in there right, just grab the mirror and just push and lock it down in place. You don't want to push on the mirror right here, you're going to break it.